Welcome. This is your official installation guide for the hidden granite countertop bracket. We'll walk you through each step with simple instructions, safety tips, and everything you need to get a secure, professional result, whether you're a contractor or tackling this as a DIY project. Before starting, be sure to review the full guide and check that you have all your tools and hardware ready. Step 1. Mounting marks. Begin by measuring and marking the bracket positions along the top of the knee wall. Be precise with your markings. It'll help keep everything aligned later on. Step 2. Cut a ½ inch deep channel for each bracket using one of the shown methods. Option A, power tools. Use a hand rotor with a top-bearing flush trim bit to cleanly remove the marked area. Option B, manual tools. Start by cutting along the marked lines with a handsaw, about ½ an inch deep. Then use a 1-inch chisel and a mallet to clear out the middle section. Step 3, install the bracket. Slide the bracket into the channel and make sure it's properly aligned. Then fasten it in place using the screws provided. For best results, pre-drill with a 9/64" bit. Step 4, use a level to check alignment and add shims if needed. Ensure brackets are flush with cabinetry. Ensure brackets are level with each other. Step 5, apply adhesive. Before setting the countertop, apply a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive along the top face of each bracket. Carefully set the countertop in place, making sure it's stable and properly aligned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through any of our support channels.